How to forward voice messages on Instagram. Hello everyone, this is Sabrina here to help you today. So without any further ado, let's get right into the video. So first, launch your Instagram. Then go to the chat of the person of which you want or if you have received voice message from. Here I have a voice message. Now in order to forward it, tap and hold on the message and you should see an option of forward if you or your account has the option of forwarding. This method or this feature is only available in some of the account and in some of the device. If you have, you can simply forward it, but if you don't, you cannot do it directly via Instagram. So that's it. Thank you for watching this video. Make sure to like, share and subscribe to our YouTube channel. If you got any questions, comment them down and I'll catch you in the next one.